This one is looking like the darkest one. Welcome back to my channel. I have collected these free samples over last few months, and I just thought that maybe I should open them together in a video. Let's take out our first sample. Yeah, this one. This is Lancome Triple Serum Retinol. Let's move on to the next product. This one is from Clarins, and this is their night cream. Comes in this small pack which can be used. And then we take out our next one. This one is again from Clarins, and this is a night cream as well. I'm not sure if these two are the same, the one that I opened before and this one, maybe. And then we move on to the next one. This is again from Clarins, and this is their Hydra Essential serum of some type, which it says has hyaluronic power complex. Then the next one here, let's see. Yeah, let's see which one. Yeah, this one maybe. This is from Clinique. This is their Smart Clinical Repair eye cream, wrinkle correcting eye cream. And then the next one, what is this? This is again from Clarins. It is their eye serum. Next product, this one is from Biotherm. Hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C. And this one is again from Clarins. This is day cream. The two previous ones were night creams. This one is in a different color compared to the one which was a night cream. Here you can see. Yep. The next one is again from Clarins. This is their Wrinkle Control Firming Day Cream. And this one is a different one. This one here is again from Biotherm. I think this is the same as the previous one. And here comes the last one, which I'm most excited about because I really love lipsticks. These are some of the nude shades from Clarins. Let's open them. This one looks like a medicine pack from behind. See here, yep. These shades are looking nice, but are they the same which is on the pack? Yeah, I think so. Yes, they are the same ones. Let's try to open this, although I'm not really sure how to do that. Maybe I can open this like a medicine. No, did not work. Okay, maybe I need to bring a scissor, or let's try it somewhere. There should be a way actually. I think I found something here. Yeah, if I just pull this, maybe it will work. Yeah, it worked. I also need the brush. Yeah, this was not so difficult. Let's take out the brush, and then I want to try the pink one first. This shade is Peach Nude. The next one is Beige Nude. This one is a bit on brownish side. I like these two so far, but I'm gonna try to open the remaining two, which looks like a bit of a struggle here. Okay, I found the end, and then just gonna rip this off. The other one also. This shade is Camellia Nude, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And this one is the darkest one, and this is Mocha Nude. I actually love all of them. These all look so different, but so nice. But for me, the darkest one is my favorite. Which one do you like more? Can you write in the comment section your favorite shade from these four? Here I am just comparing these shades with how they look on this picture. These are the names. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.